Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about the concat and concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. Concat and concatenate function basically does the same thing, although there are some instances that they can be used very differently, though we can just focus on their differences for now. The main difference about them is that concat is able to join text by choosing an array, while concatenate needs a comma to separate different cells in order to combine them. Here's an example. Here, we can write the concat function by typing concat. Next, let's choose the array that we want to combine. And there we go. We just easily combine text from different cells in an instant. Let's try dragging the cells down to see what would they look like. Here are the combined cells. Let's try concatenate this time. First, type the concatenate function. Then, let's enter our text. Remember that we need to separate the text using comma. Here, we can get the same results as what we did from concat. If we try to do what we did in concat, here's what it would look like. Notice the cells still being separated by different cells. This is why it is important to use comma using concatenate. By dragging the cells down, we can see the same results for all of the items. And that is how you use concat and concatenate in Microsoft Excel.